So good day, guys. In this video I'm going to talk about 4 common mistakes that welders do that keep them broke. You understand? Sometimes you wonder why you do work and you do very well with your work. You know what you do, you understand, but you still dey broke and you know they make enough money as you want. You understand? This can be some common signs, maybe say some common mistakes maybe say they do as a welder where they keep you broke. And you have to listen to this video. You understand? And share this video. Make sure you're sharing this video and like the video. So number one thing that most welders they do when they keep them broke is poor finishing. Poor finishing. Poor finishing. You have to learn. Poor finishing. Sometimes you go do work, you go wonder why. If you do work finish for your customer, I know they call you back because of the finishing. See, work fine at the finish. I dey tell you for a fact, work fine at the finish. So once you do work finish, just look at the work. Make sure say the finishing dey neat. Make sure say they present a neat job. You understand? A saying goes this way that a good market sells itself. You understand? A good product markets itself. If I'm not mistaken, sure you understand. So poor finishing, it did to waiting they make. Most of the welders they go broke because you know go do if you do work for me, will be say the work no, the finishing no fine. I'm not gonna call you back for another one. Then how to grind work well, file and you understand, do well, painting, or even the painting, make sure say it did very okay. You they look the work, you know say it did very okay. You understand? So with that, I dey sure say you are good to go. So number 2 thing welders do that keep them broke is undervaluing your work. Undervaluing your work. Stop undervaluing your work. If you do work finish, you go look say this work really worth time. This thing really worth time. This thing no, not too fine. This thing no, stop it. It's not that okay. Stop undervaluing your work. You do work, we say you know say this work really worth time. Bro, market your work for a very high price. Look, if you want to get high standard customers, put your work in high price. Put your price high. Me I dey charge for work. My customers they know I dey charge for work because I know say if I deliver your work, you go like them. I will deliver your work with time. I will make sure say I deliver your work will be seen in a way be say you like them. To your own taste. You understand? So stop undervaluing your work. Learn how to put prices on your work. You understand? You say this work really worth this money. Put them there, no fear. Now you do one, you go sell. Once you know what you do, you will sell. I'm telling you. So number 3 thing is bad attitude towards your customers. You have to learn bad attitude towards your customers. You understand? Learn how to talk to your customers, learn how to approach your customers, learn how to talk to people. People will be saying no. Because these people, then they feed you, these people, then they give you money. Without these people, you are nothing. Without your customers, you are nothing. You don't be anything. So learn how to talk to your customers. This one goes to every hand worker. Learn how to talk to your customers. You understand? Despite the age, despite the person where you be, whether you get money or you don't get, know how to talk to people. Because person when you don't even get money can, link you to person will be say get money, maybe say it will help you, you benefit from it. You understand? So learn how to talk to your customers. That's another thing you have to learn. Learn how to approach people, learn how to talk to people in a decent way. In the manner how you say person talk to you if you will like them. You understand? So that's another thing. Another thing we all have to learn is not learning new skills. That's the one thing that keep most welders broke also. Not learning new skills. You have to learn new skills. Learn new things. Do explore more. Do new things. No, they say you dey on stick welding. You want to base on stick welding alone. No, you can actually learn MIG welding. You can actually learn TIG welding. Different type of welding to do flux core. You can learn different things. You understand? Because you don't know the field where you go find yourself tomorrow. That's the thing there. So you have to learn different things. Explore more. Learn how to do aluminium. You understand? Because something like that if you come outside tomorrow and that one if you come outside in block, you say you get from it. So in any field where you dey, explore more, try new things. You understand? Knowledge no dey finish. Knowledge no dey finish. Even if you get that knowledge today, you dey say I know you don't favor me or I don't really get anything from them. No, it might not be today, it might not be tomorrow, but definitely one day you go click, will be saying that knowledge now you will push you up. You understand? So let's try to explore more, learn new things, try to do new things, meet new people, talk to people, learn new things, acquire new knowledge, how to fix things, different things, you understand? Learn new skills. You understand? Learn MIG welding, learn aluminium welding, learn stick welding, learn TIG welding, different type of weldings they will say you will learn, different type of thing for workshop will say they you will do. You understand? That's a welder, different type of things they inside this welding work will say you will do. So that's the thing there, guys. So don't forget to share this my video and don't forget to like, don't forget to subscribe to my channel or follow me up. You understand? So love you guys. Peace out.